Hey, what is going on today, guys? Death Bandit here, and today we are in another video with NEX racing down a big driveway. Now, in today's video, I am with my friends, Bryce and Sky.
Hey.
This is Bryson's car, that's Sky's car, that's my car. We're going to be going one at a time, going racing. So Sky, grab your car, go up first. We'll watch. Let's go down here. 3. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that one good. Now, Bryce, you're up. Sky, get your car off the road. Okay, go.
Oh my god.
Restart that.
Yeah.
Okay, that was a good one. Okay, I'm gonna hand over the camera to Bryce, and he's gonna be recording my video.
My car.
Okay, so here's my car, and we're gonna be putting this down. See if it goes good. The wheel's probably gonna fall off again. Oh, landed it. It landed at least. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing another round. Sky, now it's your turn. It's your turn to go. Restart that.
Yeah, okay.
Guys, if it goes to at least right here, restart it. That's another restart.
Yeah.
Fix your wing. He's just gonna do a flip. Here we go. Flip for the video.
Come on,
Sky.
to the side.
There we go. That's a good one. Hey, Bryce, you're up. To redo.
Oh my god. These cars today aren't doing well.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, especially they were doing good before the video.
Yeah, we need to make new cars. Here, you want me to try one more time?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god!
Another one.
Oh.
Okay. Hey, nice boat. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, you know what? Whatever.
Yeah.
We definitely need bigger tires.
Okay, handing the camera over to Bryce again. He's gonna be recording me again.
Michael, I have to show them when
Okay,
it
ready?
just changed.
Oh. 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 Yes, new record. That did good before. Okay. Where's Sky go? Sky, you're up next. You fixing your car?
Yeah. How much rounds are we doing?
I don't know. As much as we can. Sky, you good? Your car fixed?
Yeah. Is it gonna go?
Okay. Okay, go. You're gonna need a bigger push than that. Oh my god, he just dropped this car.
It's strong, but it's not straight.
Butterfingers.
That was the first fail yet in this video. It's strong, but not. It's strong, but not. It doesn't go straight.
Guys, once we go halfway through this video, let's just do crazy wipeouts in this place. Let's just like random full force throw. What?
No, I was gonna say get the wood jumping.
No, just when we get to the video, full force.
Take off the weights, you.
Okay, Sky, I'm gonna have to give you a DNF there. Bryce, it's your turn. Okay, it's going again.
Just let's get a ramp, okay? Make it fail with them. Yes, no.
What are you kicking?
Just kicking that patch right there.
Yeah, kicking the patches. That's very good.
Yes.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh. Can't go straight for life.
It landed on its side.
Oh, whatever.
Go again. Yes.
Great. I need to make a better car. All right.
Okay. So you go over race again. I'm recording my car. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, why is mine like the best or something? Oh, okay.
No, you got the bigger tires though.
Yeah. That's the furthest it's been.
So now we have a jump.
No, we shouldn't do that jump.
No, Sky.
Why?
No.
She wants to do that jump and we're probably not gonna do it.
Mom said no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sky, you're gonna ruin the video. No.
Why are we don't do the jump, Sky. It's way too dangerous. Obviously she said no. Okay, Sky, do whatever you want, full force, go crazy. Nice. Wreck your car, bend it up, do anything with it. Bryce, go. Yeah. Do it again. Ooh. Yeet.
Yes, no.
Okay, that was a good one. Go.
No. Your turn.
Yeah.
Daddy going to fail.
Okay, I'm gonna do
Chop.
extreme crazy wipeouts now. Full force. Okay. Oh. Oh my god, the wheel fell off.
Okay.
I think the wheel fell off. Yeah, the wheel fell off.
Coming down. Fail.
Oh my god. Look at this. The wheel fell off.
Oopsie.
Whoopsie.
Face palm.
Yes.
Backwards.
I thought this thing would actually survive. I mean, because I put so much push bumpers on it.
Lasted long enough. Why didn't it go straight going up? What?
I don't know. Should we just try the ramp?
Yeah. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yeah.
We should. We should just put up the ramp and just go slow. What are you doing?
Somebody stabbed me. Sky, no. You want us to get in trouble? Mommy's gonna ground you. That means no computer. My sister has all the problems.
Okay. Just put the ramp down and we'll just go a little bit. We'll just go quite slow.
No, do it towards the grass.
Yeah, they land on the
Sky,
grass.
not down there.
Sky, up here.
No, right here.
Face it
Michael.
this way. Face
Right
it
here,
this way.
and then we'll drive it right
Yeah.
from here.
Yeah, put it there. Yeah, right there. Okay.
Seriously, is that hard?
Yes, it is.
Mine's gonna stop right here though.
No. Yeah, put it on the grass like this. So.
Still gonna get.
Yeah.
Look.
Just put it at that angle. It'll be good. Nice. Nice.
Yay.
Ooh, that roll though. The wheels just fell off.
The wings didn't make it fly. What a horrible plane. Is it a plane?
Messed up.
Is it a plane? Is it a car? No, it's broken. The car
Here,
fell
it's
apart,
broken.
so it's just a fail.
Here,
Just a
I'm gonna do
fail.
mine. I'm gonna do mine.
No, I meant the first
One.
fail.
More.
Yeet. Fail.
Oh. Okay.
Now,
I'm gonna do mine now.
fail.
Fail.
Sky, you better know these pieces. And
Oof. The wheel fell off again.
then, another broken car.
Yeah.
This is the second broken car yet. Mostly the third.
This is so hard doing it in with one hand, holding the camera and fixing this car. Yeah.
You want to lean it up against something?
No. I don't have my tripod.
So this time I'm going to try it without the wings.
Now he's gonna bring out this giant cereal box on wheels to see how good it does.
It's actually pizza bites, not a cereal box.
Yes.
It's not a cereal box.
A wheel fell off.
It's a pizza bites box. And
Whatever.
Now this time I'm going to try it without wings. Michael, can you see my...
Can I put this up here?
Time, I'm going to try this without wings.
It's gonna work. No, it's not.
It fell.
What if I put this thing up here? Will this work?
Just tell them that. So this time I'm going to try it without any wings on and see how this goes. Michael, let's test it down this.
Down what?
This.
Huh, this is so annoying.
Really? Another fail.
Dude, you have two missing wheels now.
Now this time I'm going to try without any wings. Okay? Until,
Yeah, that might work.
Yes, it might work this time. It did even worse.
Bryce, do my car.
Okay. Ha! Sky, you're gonna. Oh my god. Oh, they fell.
Should I rat her out? Tell me in the comments.
This is just like the feel. After all the time you did all this time, it's the.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it just exploded.
So it's the fifth car that exploded.
Mine's still alive.
Yeah, let's just
I'm a survivor.
let's just put this car to the side.
Go on.
Yeah.
I'm a survivor.
Yay!
I'm still the only one who survived all this.
Yeah.
But why don't really?
Yeah.
I see why. Put it on the wrong.
Oh.
I put it on. Look, people, I just put it on the wrong wheel, and then that's how it failed.
Okay, guys, I got an idea. How about you guys start ramping this, and I'll put the camera below this ramp, so all you see is the cars jumping over the camera. Okay, I'm gonna put this face down right here.
Hope I don't land on it.
Oh, and you missed.
And you failed.
I'm gonna fix this car real quick.
Michael, what? Play a song.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, Mr. Krabs.
No.
Play a song.
Oh my God!
Please.
No, Sky.
You don't ruin the video. You obviously don't know how videos work.
Oh, well, it did.
Sky, really? Move.
Bye. You want the blue pieces, Michael? For what? Your car? No? Okay.
Mine is best for ramps.
Do you want some blue pieces?
Woo!
I bet you. I hope that camera's getting the cars.
Yeah.
Should I do a dive roll over the ramp?
Yeah.
Yay!
Michael, look at it. Dun. It's a.
Yay! I think my car's good. Almost. Okay, guys, my car is fixed, as you can see. Now we're just gonna put it over the ramp and see if it does it. Oh, the wheel fell off again. And everything else.
Wow. Right after you fix it.
I barely even made it.
I know, that was a bad one.
Yeah.
Michael,
Oh, Sky.
Michael, throw out another piece.
What?
Cheap.
Oh, yeah. I think I know where that.
What piece?
Oh my God!
Dang nibbits. Fail.
Sky, move. Move.
Bye.
Move.
I'm just trying to find something.
There's no piece.
Yeah, there is.
Where?
Huh? No, there isn't.
There's no piece. Sky, it was my piece.
No.
Yeah.
No, she is missing one. Great, Sky. Good job. Well, how far did you travel? Found it.
Not that far. You didn't go that far.
Ready? Oh my God, why isn't it working?
Car's back. All you see is the wheel go over the camera.
Why does this gate fall?
Oh! The whole thing came off again. Oh no, oh no. Oh no.
It came apart again. Wow. Another fail. Gosh.
Another one.
And another.
Michael, look.
And another.
What? Look. Launcher. Oh.
Did you see it, Michael? Watch.
Yeah.
Scotty.
Fail.
Oh yeah. Let's do let's do strength test. Go down the stairs.
No. I'd be wrong. Slide. Probably.
Slide. Put the pieces on the goddamn carpet
Why?
so it doesn't fall under the deck.
Duh. Duh.
No one really cares about them. Duh.
Wait. Ah, never mind.
Okay. Sky, what are you doing over there? Okay, here's fix it. Go, go. Nice. Car's over there. How'd you get so much sand?
It came from this thing. It was in the sandbox.
Yeah. For a very long time.
All right. Well, Michael's car didn't end up to live. I'm
What's
still the only survivor.
down the stairs? Down the stairs.
Mine was gonna win.
I don't care. That's cheating, dude. You can't. No, it has to hit every step. It has to go dun 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 like this, like this. There's one tire left.
Michael. Oh my god.
Nice.
Scotty.
Oh,
Michael, put it at the bottom of the. No,
what the? What?
angle it right here, or angle it so when I'm gonna throw it off, and all you see is it coming down.
Wait.
Over there and angle it.
Oh,
towards me.
angle it. Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Yep. Oh.
Oh!
Do that again. Do that again. Do that again. I'll go farther. Nice.
How is it holding up?
Well, it's time for mine to shine.
It's still alive.
I'm just gonna kick this off a little bit.
Oh goodness, that thing's gonna break.
I know, right? Here we go. Wow. That
Well, it
worked.
didn't break.
That worked.
It didn't break.
I know. Oh. That made it down nice.
How you do it. Well, at least this thing did pretty well.
Yeah. All this thing does is break the front wheels and the rear wheels.
Michael, we should forgot to try it like this. No, Sky. Oh my god.
That's copywriting.
Yeah, and anyways, people are gonna decide. Sky, look. Michael, look.
Yeah, just gonna.
Is it- Dude, you're gonna have some.
Yeah, I know, right?
Dude, we should
Do it-
try
do it sideways.
Should I send it off the ramp like this?
No, send it off the ramp sideways. Like set off the stairs sideways. Stairs sideways.
What is love? Michael, wait, ready?
Guys, put all your cars up on here.
On what?
On the deck. On the deck. Put all your cars up on the deck, right? Forgot.
How about we do? Okay,
Here's the
how
wheel.
about we do leaderboards? The higher you are on the step, the higher you want, the further you want.
No.
So I would be second, Michael would be first, and that's for furthest. And then we're gonna do a.
No.
Do,
No, we're not. Okay, so Alright, guys. Kind of survived. Bryce is right here. The #1 champion. Mine is second place. Guys is, I don't know. So, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.